Hi guys, today I want to show you how to unfold the surface in Solidworks here. So this is actually the model, and we just use our tools here to unfold the surface, and then I show you the problem we can have and how to resolve this issue. So first, let's start in this our program to unfold this surface. It's very simple. Here you click the tools here, and then you have the unfold surface. After loading our plugin into SolidWorks, and you will see that menu selection here. So here is just click in this surface, and then you click OK. It should work here. So this is actually the result here. It's pretty decent here. And because this is actually the double curvature, strong double curvature surface, so you may have some so kinks here, some issue here. It's not so accurate. But if you see here, this is actually there's a sideline surface here, here. So if you unfold this surface here, then it will not work here. Show you here that if you unfold this surface, and then you see here that is actually very strong twisted, and the result is not good because it's actually too strong double curvature surface, and then we cannot handle it, so the result is not accurate. But you can have a solution if you can delete no, not delete, the split the surface into half in the middle of this one here, and then we can unfold it here. I have done this one here. This is actually then the half of the surface that we just unfolded. So you see here, and then in this case that will be easy here, that if you click unfold surface, and you will see the results here. And that's actually come to the, not this one here, here cannot go back to, yeah, here. So if you have a surface here like this one, the dome top, and then if you can divide it into another half, then you may get more accurate results. Certainly if you want to unfold the whole dome here, then it will fail, it will not work here. So that's for today. If you have any issue, then please let me know.